Hey everyone, welcome to Ellen's Crochet channel. Welcome to my new and returning subscribers. Thank you all for watching my videos and coming back every once in a while and leaving comments and doing all the things. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today's content video is about my high fiber diet. Anyone that crochets or knits should keep a high fiber diet as much as they can. Have as much fiber in their life to play with. I have a lot of fiber and I love it all. So this mug was a Joanne find when the bankruptcy occurred. And I have a few of them, but this is a favorite, high fiber diet. And that's what today's video was about. High fiber and a mystery box. I have not opened it as yet. The only thing I took off of it was the address, both the to and the from. But this mystery box, my friends, I can assure you is going to be fabulous because I know where I ordered it from. So this is a mystery box from BOD Crochets, Etsy. Her Etsy, she has a, whatever they call it, a Etsy page? Yeah, on Etsy. Every once in a while, Crystal posts a mystery box or a D-stash. She has all her patterns there. They're always available. But when she puts a mystery box, if you're lucky enough to catch it, you order it if you can. I check it often, but I don't always catch Crystal's mystery boxes because they go very quickly. So let's see what I got, friends. I ordered this beginning of last week, and I thought it was going to be here on Saturday, but in true U.S. Postal Service fashion, it didn't come until today. I don't know if my Postal Service, or my mail guy, he is a gentleman, is on vacation. But the past few weeks, my Saturday mail has been a little off. So, in any case, I just cannot wait to see what's in the box. Because in true fashion, whenever Crystal packs a box, I don't know how she gets it all in there, but she does. I'm excited to see what's there and share it with you, my friends. So, let's see. We have, this is Mary Maxim Yellow Spun DK, and I have worked with Yellow Spun DK before, and I love it. I love it. It's beautiful yarn. I've never worked with this color before, so I'll show it to you. It's kind of a rosy. I'm curious to see what the color is called. This is made in Turkey. It's approximately 284 yards per skein. 100 grams. Okay, appropriately named Vintage Rose. Very pretty. And it's kind of looking a little more salmon in my light, but it's definitely a beautiful rose. Very pretty. Love that, love that. Vintage Rose DK. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. This is Premier Basics Chunky. This is a number 5 bulky, 117 yards per skein, 100% acrylic, and the color is deep red, and it certainly is beautiful deep red. Now this will make a beautiful winter hat and scarf set, no doubt. So three of them. There's a lot more in there, friends. There is a lot more. So it's 3 of them. Let's see what else we have. Aha. Look how beautiful that is. Look Look how beautiful that is. This is Yarn Smith's Elvis Double Knit. Okay, so Yarn Smith's is a wool warehouse. This is their brand. And this is their Elvis line, which is a DK or a double knit. It's 150 gram ball and 590 yards of 100% acrylic. And it gives a shade of 1A011, and I'm not really sure what that would be because they don't give a name on the website, but this is made in Turkey. Beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, it's got like a slate blue in the middle, if you look. And then it goes to a turquoise, to a, I would say that's kind of a minty green, to a cream color, to yellow, to pink, to a beautiful orchid color. So it's a beautiful rainbow, and there's two of them, and that will make a lovely project. Very pretty, very soft, and I absolutely love the Yarn Smith's line of yarn, and I actually have been working with some of it. This is their Pebble Haze prints. Their yarn is lovely, and it's at the Wool Warehouse. Yep. Actually working up my Sweet Shop blanket in the Yarn Smith line. Okay, wow, wow, wow. Friends, Crystal's boxes are unreal. This is a Stenley Panna Cotta. Okay, this is 50% fine merino wool and 50% acrylic. A total of 1,450 meters, which is about 1,500 yards in this cake of yarn. This is made in Bulgaria, and it is absolutely gorgeous yarn. Stenley Panna Cotta. I've never had a panna cotta. I have had a Stenley cake. I think I've had the muffin tweed, and I actually have another muffin behind me, but not the panna cotta. And I am excited to work with this. And I'm gonna open it so I can show you, friends. Don't mind the crinkling, but I wanna feel it. I wanna feel this beautiful yarn that was in the mystery box. Okay, this is got a pull start. Okay, it looks like 4 strands. And I think if you put them all together, it would be I would say that's a sport weight. It calls for a 4 to 5 millimeter knitting needle or 2.5 to 3.5 crochet hook. And I would probably go with the 3.5 crochet hook, maybe even a 4. Since it has some merino, that tends to bloom a little bit. But look how pretty that is. Red, it's every rainbow color. Starts at red and then it ends in that magnificent pink. Wow. What a mystery box. They are the best. Crystal's mystery boxes are the best. And there's a lot more on there, friends. Yes, oh, there is. Okay, let's see what else I have in here. Okay, this is Yarn Smith's Merino Sock. And the color is called Mississippi Mud. And it's 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon, 437 yards. I would say this is a fingering weight. And this is giving me Americana vibes, the old-fashioned red, white, and blue. Beautiful. This is gonna make something wonderful to wear. Very pretty. It's a hand dyed by Yarn Smiths from the Wool Warehouse. And I also have in this beautiful bag some more lovely yarn. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, this is just like, this feels like silk, and this is silk. This is called 100% Regal Silk, and this is by Art Yarns, not Yarn Art. This is Art Yarns, which is, there is no comparison. Look how beautiful that is. This is, it's not gold. I would say it's that green, oh, I can't think of it. Oh my God, this is beautiful, friends. I can't think of the color of that green. It's like a goldish green. It'll come to me after I finish the video, and then I'll be like, but isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. But this has got, it's 100% silk. Okay, and 163 yards, 50 grams. So I have over 300 yards of beautiful silk. Can you imagine getting this in a mystery box? Really? The color is 114. Wow. Now I have silk. Oh, Crystal has the most beautiful yarns. And her mystery boxes are, there's no comparison. I have never seen a mystery box that could compare to Crystal's. Where do you get silk in a mystery box? Only at BOD. Okay, so what else do we have in this beautiful bag? Haha. Now, friends, I got some of this last week because I placed an order on her Etsy shop, and I actually ordered this. This is Moondrake, and the color is mauve. Okay, and it is, there are Sparkles Sparkles Stardust, 410 yards of 80% superfine merino, 15% neps, and that's the little bumps of color, and 5% copper stellina. And I have 2 of them also in this box. Like, seriously, yeah. Whenever you see Crystal has a mystery box, you must go and order. You have to check it often. So I have 2, and last week I actually had ordered 2 more, so now I have 4. And I don't know what I'm gonna make with this beautiful yarn, but it's gonna be something fabulous. Yes. So yeah, so now I have 4. The box is not empty, friends. There's more yarn in the box. Almost 13 minutes in. And last but certainly not least, yes, live at Wembley. Live at Wembley. I was not able to get this on Mary Maxim because it was sold out. I did have the purple. So this is Crystal's Tonally Use BOD yarn, premium anti-pill acrylic, in collaboration with Mary Maxim in the color Live at Wembley. I just love Crystal's new yarn. It is so soft. It's indescribably soft, and it works up beautifully. I have a video. I did a blanket in the purple, Your Majesty Queen, the week before last. So this is 100% anti-pilling acrylic, 150 grams per ball. It says approximately 328 yards, and the care instructions are machine wash in warm water, tumble dry normal, do not iron, do not dry clean, and do not bleach. I don't know anybody who would bleach yarn. Certainly not me. But yes, so that is my mystery box from Crystal, from BOD Crochet, and on Etsy. And I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she gets, and actually another one fell, how she gets all of this beautiful yarn in a mystery box, because I don't know, I would not be able to get it back in that box. But thank you, Crystal, for curating such beautiful, wonderful mystery boxes. I love every bit of yarn that's in there. It is just simply amazing. Thank you. And hope to get another one next time you make a listing. And friends, I'm going to list in the description box Crystal's Etsy page. Check it often. And if you can get yourself a mystery box, You will never be disappointed. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.